Baby, let's go. Let's go.
So let's hop in and to the car and let's go drive.
Bye.
Bye guys. Bye. 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 Leave mommy. Leave me. Don't say any guys. Sorry guys.
Today, sir.
He always wants to draw and just stuff like that. He always get in trouble, but he don't want to pay taxes. All he wants to say, he wants to do bad stuff. Yeah.
Where you going, Layna?
So we're going in the car. Let me show you the car.
Can't MESI.
Okay, now I want to say hi.
Yes, they're going to practice.
And you guys going to see us there, so I hope you see my mom drive. You know my mom is a good driver, so let me introduce.
Bye.
So bye guys, and click the notification button, and we're gonna see you. Peace.
What are you wanting for?
Hi guys, so you see me playing there. You see a lot of basketball, so let's go. Woohoo! What?
Your teacher not here yet.
No, but wait patiently. We need to wait.
But she told us to come early. She's not even here. Put it down, put it down. Put it down. Okay, go ahead.
I know. Nice.
You go this way. No, yeah. You stay right here, Papa. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Go. Oh, métele tú après, man. You put it too far. Put it tú après, bébé. Go. Ou tu après, chérie? Nèg la tombe. Faut tomber tout et jouer boule wap jouer. Why? Come, get up. Get up. Kick it. Yeah. Put it down. Like that? You're cheating. Oh, wazim sak pal pon pou boss. You smart. Get the ball. Que ça devait être fait, pas vrai? Kiki, go to your thing. Go back.
She said that we can drink water.
What are you doing on the floor? Wap pase ou te entre? Why? Faut nek tombe tout, nek ap jwe boule.